Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. This video is for day 6 of the Advent calendar, and this video is late if you haven't noticed. We had the art crawl on Thursday night, which was the 5th day, and let me just tell you, it whooped my rear. Totally. I was so exhausted after that, and then on top of being super exhausted, Thursday night, Friday morning, the day of the 6th, I had to get up super early that morning at like 5:30 a.m. after going to bed at like 1 a.m. and take my husband. We had to leave here at 5 so I could take my husband to work and then come back home. And I got Elijah and took him to school and then came back home, and I just kind of spaced out a little bit. So wore out. Then I had to take Dakota to work and then go get Elijah from school, and then we had to go get Dad from work, and then we came back home and I tried to do a little bit, but I was just in so much pain and just so exhausted. And then I had to go get Dakota from work last night, and then we ran on to Walmart to pick up a few little bit of groceries. I just didn't have it in me to grocery shop, but we just picked up a few things that we were out of and definitely couldn't make it through the weekend without. So needless to say, I was not even home to make a video yesterday. But anyway, so this video is for day 6. And I will be doing a quick video about the art crawl. I'll record that after this, so that will be up soon. But and I want to give you all the information about that and everything. But anyway, we want to get on with day 6. Let's see. Phoebe is, I think, ready. Phoebe, are you ready? Let's see. Come back over this way. Come over this way, Phoebe. All right, you ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, I got 2. We only need 1. Here is your treat for today, Phoebe. She probably knows she missed yesterday's. Oh, Phoebe's, look. So, gotta keep her occupied for 2 minutes while she gobbles that down. Okay, so let me find my day 6 bag. Oh, I see it. Okay, so day 6. Let's see what I got. Oh. Okay, here's some navy blue yarn. It's just a navy blue bulky yarn. Little scrap ball. Okay, so, and then the other thing I see is some red reading glasses. Oh, I have lots of different colors of glasses, and I have them all over the house. Everywhere. Everywhere I have reading glasses, and so let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can see. My vision is really bad, and so I couldn't do it without these reading glasses for sure. All right, so that's cool. I like that. That was very thoughtful for the voice. I did read Luke 6, and let me just say this. It was about taking a Sabbath day, and I will say this, that Sabbath is not a punishment. Sabbath is God's gift to us. We all need a day of rest. I've taken that today pretty much, and I told my family last night, I said, y'all, I can't do it. I gotta have a day off. I just can't not do it. So today's actually a Saturday, so Elijah didn't have school, and Dakota's work schedule was where he could get up and take Jody to work and then come back home, and then he could go to work and then he would get off. and then he can go pick Jody up from work. So, normally I would try to get up and take Jody to work just so that Dakota doesn't have to get up so early and then work a, full day shift and close and everything. Because he's usually the closing manager. And so, I just get up and take Jody to work to let Dakota have that extra little bit of sleep. But I told him last night, that I gotta have some rest. I gotta sleep. So I did take Sabbath today and rested, and just, tomorrow I have to get back at it. I'll have to take Dakota to work. He's the opening manager tomorrow. And then take Jody to work, and then get Dakota from work tomorrow evening, and then go pick Jody up from work tomorrow night at like 10 p.m. So, anyway, Sabbath is God's gift to us because he knows our body needs a day of rest, right? Yes, we all need a day of rest. We're stupid if we don't take that. Honestly. So, thank you, Jesus, for giving us this day of rest. Okay, so I did get some cards that I wanted to share. I just love these. This is from Karen at Happiness is Homemade, and the pictures are the shape of a wreath. Isn't that so cool? She has just the sweetest little family. And then let's see. This one is from Michelle, and I don't know how to pronounce your last name for sure, because in Louisiana, we don't pronounce things the way other people do a lot of times. And so I asked Alexa, and she didn't know how either, and I thought she knew everything. Never mind, Alexa. I talk to Alexa all day long. Like, I carry on conversations with her, and sometimes she tells me, like, she'll tell me, good night. Like, could you go to bed and leave me alone? Anyway, this card is from Michelle Chapon, Chappon, And it's just a beautiful winter scene with a dusting of snow and a big, beautiful house. It says Merry Christmas. So, and it's, a little message, and then she wrote, sending you lots of love and laughter this holiday season, Kayla and family. To Kayla and family. So, isn't that just pretty? And so, I'm going to be adding my cards to the door. I have one more. Phoebe, where'd it go? I have one more card. I have one more card here. I just can't see it. Baby, get back. Get back. I'm so embarrassed. Elijah, can you come here and look? Phoebe might have knocked this off my desk, and I'm kind of crammed in here. Do you see a card on the floor right here? It was just right here on my desk, and I'm thinking Phoebe might have knocked it off. Yeah. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm sorry. Thank you. I figured Phoebe knocked it off. Come on, Phoebe, get back over here on your side. She's over here looking for another treat. There went my yarn. Come on, Phoebe. Okay, and then the other card is this piece, and it's like mason jars hanging on a tree with different things in them, and that is so cute. And this one is from Angela, 1830. Merry Christmas to you, your family, and Phoebe. Isn't that sweet? So I'll be putting these up on the door around my stockings. Come on, Phoebe, get on this side. And so I want to turn the camera just a little bit slowly so you can see the stockings that I've been making. And I have my Christmas cards going up around there. I'm going to add these cards, and then I'll make today's stocking and add it. And then I'm going to try to record day 7's video so I can get caught back up. And I do have a video coming out about the art crawl. So, stay tuned for that, and I will see you all again really, really soon.